Our parents worked 30 years and got a guaranteed pension for life. Gen X worked 30 years and we've got 401ks we are worried might not make it to our 70s. Well, my friend, that's not bad luck. That's the great pension swap, the biggest bait and switch in financial history. If you're a Gen X late starter looking at a retirement account with little to no savings, listen to me. You are not bad with money. You just got screwed by a social experiment you never voted for. But we're not here to complain. We are here to win, and we still can. So here's exactly what you'll get out of this video. A step-by-step Gen X retirement plan to build your own personal pension, an actual paycheck for life, even with no pension and almost no retirement savings. It runs on 3 lifelines. We start with the one guaranteed check you still got, your Social Security, and the timing most people still get wrong. And we finish on the lifeline almost no retirement video will tell you about. The piece that puts an income floor underneath you the market can never touch. Now first, let me show you how the switch happened, because once you see it, you can't unsee it. And here's the part that should make your eye twitch. The 401k was never designed to be your retirement. It started in 1978 as a little tax quirk, a bonus, a supplement, something to put a bit extra on top of your pension. Then the pension quietly disappeared, and the supplement became the whole meal, and nobody sent us a memo. Why did companies do it? One reason. A pension is a promise sitting on the company's books. It's their risk. The 401k moved all of it off their balance sheet and onto your kitchen table. Market crashes used to be their headache. Now it's yours. You didn't fail at a game everyone else won. The rules got rewritten mid-career for you without your signature. That hole in your account has way more to do with corporate cost cutting than your financial discipline. And hey, if that resonates with you, give this video a quick like. Let's get this message in front of as many Gen Xers as possible, because a lot of us need to stop blaming ourselves. Okay, let's look at the damage honestly, because we're Gen X and we like to keep it real. Here's the headline number. As a group, Gen X is on track to retire at about $400,000 short of what we need, the biggest shortfall of any generation alive. So what do we do with a number that but ugly? First, we look at the real data. See, the media loves to say that the average Gen X account balance is around 220 grand. It makes it look like everyone is doing fine. But that number is a lie propped up by a rich few. If you pull back the curtain and look at what the typical person in their late 50s has saved, it's closer to around 95 grand. If that's you, you're not an outlier. You're standing with the vast majority of your generation. So what do we do with that? Well, first we stop the self-blame because the timeline explains it. Those 30 years we've been working included the dot-com bubble burst, 2008 wiping out half of everything, a pandemic, a 2022 inflation eating your paycheck, the highest debt load of any generation, and being the sandwich, paying for kids and aging parents at the same time. Our parents' pensions never had to survive that gauntlet. Theirs was a guaranteed. Ours was exposed to every storm of the last 30 years. Here's the thing. We can't unring the bell, but we can build the thing they took away, a pension, ourselves. I call it your personal pension, and it's made of 3 lifelines. Not theory, 3 concrete things you can actually start setting up today. Lifeline 1 you already own. Lifeline 2 is a turbocharge for your last working years. And Lifeline 3 is the one I promised, the guaranteed income floor almost nobody explains, so let's build it. Here's the good news hiding in plain sight. You already have a pension. It's called Social Security, and it is the closest thing left to a guaranteed, inflation-adjusted check for life. The catch is, most people claim it wrong and lock in the smallest possible version. Watch this. Your full benefit is set at age 67. Claim early at 62, and you get about 70% of it permanently. Wait until 70, and you get about 124%. Do that math against each other, and it's roughly 77% more money every single month for the rest of your life. and it rises with inflation. Every year you wait past 67, you're giving yourself close to an 8% raise, guaranteed, which is a return you basically cannot buy anywhere else on earth. So what does this mean for you tomorrow morning? It means the claiming decision is not paperwork. It's probably the biggest single money move you'll ever make. And the default instinct to grab it at 62 is usually the expensive one. No, honestly, because this is your life and not a spreadsheet, waiting is not right for everybody. If your health is poor, if you genuinely need the money at age 62, or depending on spousal or survival situations, claiming earlier can absolutely be the right call. This is exactly the kind of thing you need to call a professional for to help run your numbers. But the myth that Social Security will be gone, so grab it now, that fear is what makes people leave the most guaranteed money on the table. Don't let a rumor cost you the real one pension you still got. Lifeline 2 is my favorite because it's the one that flips the "it's too late" myth completely on its head. The government actually gives people our age a fast lane, and it gets wider the closer you get to retirement. The official IRS name for this is called Catchup contribution. See, the regular 401k limit is $24,500, but the exact year you turn 50, you are allowed a catch-up contribution of another $8,000 on top, bringing your total to $32,500. But here's the part that might surprise you. If you're between 60 and 63, there's a brand new super catch-up rule that pushes your workplace total to $35,750 a year. Plus, you can stack another $7,500 into an IRA with an extra $1,100 IRA catch-up on top of that. So why is this a big deal? Your final 10 to 15 working years are usually your highest earning years. Kids are launching, the mortgage is smaller, and they're the years the government lets you shovel in the most money. Your peak income and your peak contribution room line up at the exact same moment. That is the opposite of hopelessness. That is the math quietly working for you for once. One fine print flag so nobody gets surprised. Starting in 2026, if you're a higher earner, earning over $150,000 a year, those catch-up contributions have to go into a Roth. But it's a wrinkle, not a wall. Check with your plan or tax person and your specific situation. But the headline stands. Regardless of your personal income, you have more room to catch up on retirement in your 50s and early 60s than at any other point in your life. All right, the one I promised. The lifeline that turns 3 good moves into an actual pension. I'm talking about an annuity. Now, if you're new to that word, it's just a financial contract designed to do one thing: turn a lump sum of money into a steady paycheck. But if you do know that word, let me get ahead of you because I know exactly what you're thinking the second you hear it. Oh boy, here comes the annuity pitch. Okay, let me be blunt. Most annuities genuinely are overpriced, commission-stuffed junk. That reputation earned. But there's one plain vanilla version, a simple, immediate income annuity that is nothing more than buying yourself a pension. You hand over a slice of your savings, and in exchange, you get a guaranteed paycheck for life. That's it. That's the same deal our parents' employers used to give them for free. You're just purchasing it directly. The idea is to cover your essentials, the rent, the lights, the groceries, with guaranteed income, so a bad year in the market can't ever touch the floor under your feet. Now the serious part, and I mean this. This is the highest stakes move in the whole video. So here are the trade-offs, and I'll give it to you straight. When you buy it, you generally give up access to that lump sum. It's gone, converted into the paycheck. The guarantee is only as solid as the insurance company behind it, and a fixed payment can get eaten by inflation over 20 years. This is not the right move for everybody, and it is absolutely not something to do off of a YouTube video. I'm not your financial advisor, so please do your own research. But if a simple immediate income annuity interests you, sit down with a fee-only fiduciary advisor, someone legally required to put your interests first and price it out for your situation. I'm handing you the concept. A pro helps you decide if it fits. So here's your personal pension plan. Lifeline 1. Claim Social Security like the guaranteed pension it actually is. Lifeline 2. Use the Catchup fast lane in your highest earning years. Lifeline 3. If it fits, buy yourself a guaranteed floor so the market can never take your essentials. 3 pieces. None of them require you to have been perfect in your 30s. All of them work from right here, whatever your balance is today. Behind isn't broken. Behind is just a starting line with a plan attached. And listen, Lifeline 1, when you actually claim Social Security, is the single biggest lever on the entire list. Get the timing wrong, and it can quietly cost you real money for the rest of your life. I broke down exactly when to claim and the trap most people fall into in this video right here. So watch that next before you make a move you can't undo. See you there.